माई चैनल यू मस्ट हैव सीन दैट वो ज़ीरो वेस्ट का मैंने एक वीडियो ये किया है and it is not just chips packet. See, it was an impromptu uh, it was impromptu. Actually, there's more to it than this chips packet. So yes, look nice, look cute. So actually it's multi-layer packaging. I don't know, I'll tell you, this waste management in India, we cannot pinpoint on certain things. There's so much of waste generated every single day. So you cannot just pinpoint and say ki this is being wasted, that is being wasted. It is a very, very heavy topic. So, when I was discussing textile waste, not you're going. Acha, bye. The textile waste itself is such a huge topic, right? You cannot just pinpoint and say कि मेरा इतना सा है. Tons and tons of textile waste is generated every single day. So where does it go? It goes in the landfill because logistically speaking, the movement of goods is expensive. The storage, the entire logistics is so expensive, so they just do not get into it, right? No? It's very easy to say zero waste. Is it sustainable? Because the sustainable जो भी eco-friendly products जो भी करते हैं, they are very quite expensive. Because वो source out करते हैं, materials may be free, but वो जो जब source out करते हैं, they are handmade, तो labor लगता है उसके लिए. तो इसलिए. So yeah, I was just thinking about it. It's not possible, but whatever is possible. Let us see. It's a recycle bench, recycle park bench or whatever. Oh, it's raining, it's raining, it's raining. I'm very happy today because all my things were like fast. And when I get into something, I get into something, right? Am I gorgeous? Am I gorgeous? Am I beautiful? So what I mean to say is that most of the times when I'm talking to people is because if they are standing in front of me and if they're talking to me is because I have worked on certain subjects. I cannot just stand in front of people and just talk if I have not done my research. Literally just when I was talking to this female and she was just like I my head was spinning because I can't tell you that itna waste is so much waste is being generated. So you know how it is. We cannot be pinpointing and saying I'll do this तो ये हो जाएगा. We can just reduce the use of plastic, that's it. And trust me, for me, if I am getting that much of a response is because I'm popular, because people know me. The minute I walk in, they say, yes, we know you. Yes, they know me. They better know me. So I remember they saying, oh, we saw you here, you've done this. I said, yes, I know. In fact, this event, was registered. And I told them that I have not registered, so I didn't want to do, though I had got a personal invitation. I said I don't want to I didn't go through the scanner or did the registration or whatever because I know a couple of people, so I just told her that I'll be coming late, right? So they are like, okay, please come in. I'm like, okay, fine. I will not sit down and register, and मेरे पास इतना patience भी नहीं था, and my phone was also not working, so it is not possible for me to sit down and where is she gone? I can't find her. So it's not possible for me to, so I just call them up, whatever the number is, and I tell them that and I went in there and I remember like I'm just going there and I was so tired because the whole exercise I did in the morning and then I was running behind this injured cat. Then I had to get medicine for it. So yes, it was something. But I'm quite happy. Love you all. And here I'm sitting in the evening. It's Saturday, and it's around 6 o'clock, and it's about to rain, and it's really, really nice. So I'm very, very happy. So I just speak to you all later.